Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through how to find the change of base formula as well as how to apply it. So I'm going to kind of prove it to you as well as how you can use it in a calculator. If you wanted to evaluate a log without having to set up a whole equation, you can actually go directly into this formula. I don't know if it's necessarily easier than the actual solving part itself, but it's an option for you. So here is the generic change of base formula, log of x over log of a, given log base a of x. You could also likewise use natural log instead of standard log. So the idea is if this is not a base 10 or a base e, in your calculator, most calculators have a feature where you could just type in log of 3 or ln of 5 and get a number. Now there are a lot of newer calculators that will let you do it directly. Log base something of 3, whatever this base is, it lets you put it in. Maybe it's a 2, maybe it's a 3, could be anything. So, you know, there's actually a more and more decreased need of the change of base formula, but to show you how it might work is log base a of x. Let's say it's just equal to t. That's its value. And so I want to rewrite this using the property of log. And so I get x equals a to the t. And so the goal is to get t by itself again. So that was my first step. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log of x equals log of a to the t. And now I'm going to use the power property of logs to re-isolate the t. So the reason that I was doing it this way is because now there is no non-10 or e base. And now to re-isolate, I just divide by log of a on both sides. And so that is how I would get the change of base formula. So we took log base a of x and converted it to log of x over log of a just using standard properties. So you would just put this into your calculator to get a value. So let's look at an example. Log base 2 of 3. So you could go through solving it however you want, but using the change of base formula, I can just do log of 3 over log of 2. And just by plugging that into a calculator, I get the value 1.585. Likewise, if I do ln of 3 and ln of 2, I get the same result. So here's another example, log base 8 of 170. So log of 170 divided by log of 8. Ooh. So again, just by plugging that into a calculator, I get approximately 2.47. So that's it. That's the change of base formula. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.